Where my baby mama? Where my baby mama? Beyonce. There's Beyonce. Hey, baby mama. Ooh.
Hi, Steve.
Over.
You know why? Thug 'em, fuck 'em, love 'em, leave 'em, 'cause I don't fucking need 'em. Take 'em out the hood, keep 'em looking good, but I don't fucking feed 'em. First time they fuss, I'm breathing. Talking about what's the reasons. I'm a pimp in every sense of the word, bitch. Better trust and believe 'em. In the cut where I keep 'em.
Oh no.
That's nice. Is that nice?
It's romantic.
Yes, that is nice. Gives me that warm, fuzzy feeling.
At last,
Oh.
my love has come along.
That's nice, Chaz. What's he make up his fucking mind? Hey, come on.
Come on, everybody.
Hey.
Ooh, I like that. Damn.
Yeah.
I feel like doing some aerobics.
Whoa. Come on, Fred. Oh, yeah. Boy, we starved. You know, if we were in the business, we would starve.
Sitting here eating my heart out, baby.
Hey, girlfriends.
Waiting for some lover to come.
Hey, lover boy.
Got 1,000 numbers lately. Almost rang the phone off the wall. Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening. I want some hot stuff, baby, tonight. I want some hot stuff, baby.
Ooh, I like this one.
That's nice. I like that one.
See you driving round town with the girl I love, and I'm like, get you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I'm like, get you and fuck her too. Said if I was better, I'd still be with her.
Hey, ain't that some shit?
That's the shit.
And although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. With the fuck you.
Tatum.
Can't afford
Come on, Tatum.
Hey,
Come on down, Tatum.
give a good song for Tatum.
Wait, Tatum. Tatum, do this song.
and I'm more tired.
Tatum.
Show us how you do it.
Hey, Jazz. Jazz. Some Chicago for Tatum.
There you go. Some
Tatum
Chicago.
can sing like Peter Cetera. Some Chicago. Some kind of country.
Well, I walk into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bar a double round of Crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. 'Cause I settle
You
on
ain't
my
Charlie Daniels?
horse and I ride into the city.
It's for the Chippendales.
Chaz.
Cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy. And the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say,
Yes. Beasties.
Hey. That's right. Get your hands up. Party. Yo, 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 ho, ho. You got any Charlie Daniels?
Go. Convict.
Hey. Ho.
say that.
Where's
too much of
David?
anything is not good for
Guest
you.
services. You can pull this off.
But
Yeah, you can.
I don't know about that. As many times as we've loved, and
Hey.
we've shared love and made
I don't
love.
know this one either.